A cultural embarrassment. That's how one player in the medical ganja industry is describing an island-wide ganja shortage. From increased demand to traditional ganja farmers losing hope, there are now calls for the government to pump more money into the industry. Kelisha Williams has that story.
When you say ganja, you think Jamaica.
Chief Opportunity Explorer at the Takaya Group, Tristan Thompson, as he laments the current state of the ganja industry in Jamaica. According to Mr. Thompson, over the past few months, there has been a shortage of ganja in the island, a situation he has described as a cultural embarrassment.
There's a significant local demand for cannabis. So a lot of persons who weren't using cannabis before 2014, 2015 are now start using cannabis for medicinal and therapeutic purposes. We have even doctors who have reached out to us to find out where they could get oil or where they could get something particular to assist them for a medical condition. One pastor reached out to me and his concern was that his wife was recently diagnosed with cancer, and as a result he wanted to try some alternative remedies.
And with the shortage, prices are now through the roof. Low quality ganja is being sold for $9,000 per pound compared to $3,000 per pound in 2014. While mid-tier to premium ganja is being sold for between $15,000 to $20,000 per pound compared to $9,000 in 2014. There was jubilation in the island in 2015 as the government amended the Dangerous Drugs Act, a landmark development that saw the decriminalization of up to 2 ounces of ganja for personal, therapeutic, religious, and medicinal purposes without fear of prosecution.
There was a lot of excitement among the traditional producers around the transitional permit that the CLA was supposed to actually implement. It's now been 2 years and it's still continuing to remain talk. So overall, the traditional farmers continue to feel excluded from the industry, and as a result, a lot of them just decide that they're not cultivating cannabis anymore.
But even as he pointed to a ganja shortage, Jamaicans continue to be prosecuted for the illegal trade of the drug. For Mr. Thompson, the government should do more to ensure local ganja ends up in the right hands.
The industry is also crippled by the lack of capital, and we would want to implore even the private sector as well as the government. Yes, banks cannot touch us right now. However, the government can provide grants, and they have the means to do so. Other foreign governments are supporting their industry. They are protecting them with rules and regulations, and as such, we need to do the same.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.